Hello, everybody. This is Natasha Advani here, an abundance energy coach. Today, let me give you a few tips on what we can do to live a better life. First, very important thing is sleep. Sleep is not about how much we sleep or how many hours we sleep. It is about how good the quality of sleep is, because some people sleep 5 hours a day and they are very energetic, whereas some people sleep 9 hours a day and they are not energetic. So quality sleep is very, very important. And if we are sleep deprived, all the diseases happens if when we don't sleep properly. We don't sleep properly, and we need to understand that most diseases, diabetes, cancer, all these are all anti-inflammatory diseases, and they are caused by when sleep inflammation automatically reduces, when we have these issues, if we are not sleeping properly, and then people pop pills for sleep because they get insomnia. So it's very, very important to sleep. Quality sleep is very, very important. A second very important thing is your emotional health. Maximum diseases are happen because of emotional health. If we are not emotionally, if we are not inside, we are not happy with ourselves, we are not we keep getting angry, sad, our emotional quotient and health is not strong like that. So we have to be happy and cheerful from inside. And if we do get stressed, we do get angry, we have to learn to heal ourselves. Or I do a lot of sessions that work on emotional health, because sometimes your IQ can be any very high, because that's why people get jobs, they pass in exams. But if your emotional quotient is low, people commit suicide. So it's very, very important. Your internal world is a reflection of your external world. People focus more on external things, but they forget to focus internally. As I said earlier also, the maximum also choose cancer, disease, or any form of disease is because we are emotionally not happy from inside. We don't give our body rest, we don't sleep properly. So these things are very, very important. Also, mind is a very, very powerful thing. It's very, very powerful. It can be used to destroy you, and it can be used to make you, so it's very important. Sometimes people can overcome diseases because they are strong from inside. They do the techniques which I suggest, which gives them relaxation. They have that faith that yes, we will overcome the disease. But if your mind is negative and keeps saying, oh, I have this, you do negative self talk, your mind can ruin you. So it's very, very important to have a strong mind and reduce your stress. And how do we handle stress also is very important. Do we keep reacting to the situation and get hyper, or we look at the observer and see and don't get stressed? Because I tell in a lot of my workshops, like anger, if you get angry, it's like drinking poison and expecting someone else to die. It has that effect on the body. Yeah, we think it's very lightly. We get angry so many times a day, but you have to see your body. It really, really gets affected. I'm internationally certified. I do a lot of sessions on emotional health and body and a lot of things where your body does get affected. So be very aware of what it is. And the third very, very important thing is self discipline. We have to install self discipline. If we are losing weight, we have to not eat so much. Be aware what we are eating. It's not that we go to the gym 5 days and 6th day we are again having lots of sweets and we don't go to the gym. No, it's very important to install self discipline, come out of our comfort zone, because when we commit to something, we have to work on it. A lot of people don't want to come out of their comfort zone. They want to be in their comfort zone. They want to just exercise the days what they want to exercise. So the bitter ugly truth is, you have to work. You have to come out of your comfort level. You cannot have sweets, means that kind of sweets, if you want to lose weight. You have to be committed to your goal, and if you're committed, then only it's going to happen. So self discipline is very, very important. So these are very important tips to have a great living, nice living. And for more tips, you can see my YouTube channel, Natasha Advani. life coach. You can subscribe for it. There are lots of techniques, life transforming techniques, so you can please subscribe for it. You can go to my Instagram page, Natasha Advani Abundance Energy Coach, and my Facebook page, where lots of techniques are there, and you can share this video with your family and friends, so that I hope everyone leads a happy, healthy and more meaningful life. Thank you.